Hello and welcome to CamLogic's Tech Tuesday. Today we're going to be looking at Solid Edge PDM to Teamcenter discussion. My name is William Hall. I'm one of the AE managers here, one of the team leads, and I have over 7 years in technical support working with Teamcenter, Solid Edge, as well as NX and other Siemens related products. So what are we talking about today? Today we're going to go over an explanation of what Teamcenter is and what it has to offer for users of Solid Edge today who either are utilizing the built-in data management, Solid Edge Insight, or Solid Edge SharePoint. We'll also look at a comparison of what you currently have as offerings and to what you gain by moving to Teamcenter. And then finally, we're going to look at what Teamcenter Rapid Start is, as that may be a term being thrown around when discussions about migrating to Teamcenter come up. So first, let's take a look at what is Teamcenter. Teamcenter is a PLM, product lifecycle management platform, and is primarily designed to support the design and development of products that subsequently get manufactured. Teamcenter is a platform of applications, meaning it houses multiple capabilities in a single piece of software. Users log in to just one software and interface, and then they can access all of what Teamcenter has to offer. Teamcenter is scalable to suit the requirements of each organization that utilizes the software, regardless of what CAD software you're using or have implemented, and it has now since grown to integrate software beyond just CAD applications. This means that regardless of what CAD you're using, or if you have multiple CAD softwares, Teamcenter can not only store that data, but organize it, secure it, and allow for you to fully take advantage of all the capabilities Teamcenter has to offer with each piece of software, CAD software. Now, Teamcenter is categorized into 3 groups. We have our Start group, which is a summary of initial deployment applications and capabilities. The Extended group, which are increased functionalities that are built upon the foundational implementation. And then the Transformation group, or Transform group, which is the integration of advanced PLM capabilities. This diagram gives a good example of what this looks like. We're on the top row. We have the Start row, which encapsulates design and document storage and management, bill of materials functionality, being able to not only manage them but also create and revise them, as well as being able to implement and work workflows and processes into your Teamcenter PDM management. Next, we have the Extend row, which incorporates requirement and specification management, as well as implementing other aspects of your manufacturing, supplier, or services teams as part of your company design processes. So if you want to implement manufacturing or incorporate supplier information into your current PDM, Teamcenter has tools for that. And then finally, we have the Transform row, which brings in additional advanced functionality the Teamcenter has to offer, such as quality control, cost management, sustainability, as well as systems management. So if we're looking at systems engineering or manufacturing process plant layout, things like that, we can have that managed through Teamcenter as well. So in all, Teamcenter is designed to encapsulate all of your business processes from start to end as part of the design process, all in one software, all in one solution. So let's take a look at what current functionality you have in Insight or Solid Edge SharePoint and how it compares to what Teamcenter has to offer. Now, Solid Edge PDM is restricted to using Solid Edge files only. You don't have the advanced capabilities of being able to store non-Solid Edge files in your PDM solution, other CAD softwares anyway, such as SolidWorks, CATIA, Pro-E, or other CAD files like that. File management is through vaulting using check-in and check-out processes. And while it can be secured through roles and groups built within the software, that is almost the full extent of the management of what you can store files in. You have engineering change order release processes that are available to you, both manual and automatic. You have both revision and bill of material control, and this is done through a web interface that is all managed and sitting on Microsoft SharePoint, which is a good side note to point out is the main reason why Siemens has elected to migrate away from SharePoint, because there's no longer support for the basic version that Solid Edge PDM currently sits on, not allowing it to move forward with Siemens and Microsoft as a partner. Now, Teamcenter instead fully integrates almost every mainstream CAD software available. Additionally, it also fully integrates into many non-CAD applications, such as Microsoft Office, many ECAD softwares, other PDM software. So if you've currently got something implemented, like a SharePoint or some other EDM or PDM software, there are many direct integrations and allow for seamless migration of information between the different softwares. Data is securely stored through multiple layers of in-app security. Not only do you have check-in, check-out capabilities, but you have full organization breakdown where you can control each individual component or and up into groups of components or assemblies or part categories by individual users, roles that they exist in, such as engineering, management, checking, groups, so groups within your organization, or based off of if they are based off of intelligence information. So if you're bringing in parts in for suppliers that is being used by multiple teams, what information do they have access to? We also have robust workflow process tools. Depending on your implementation, you'll have some that are built, and you have capabilities to design your own or make changes to them after they are done so. We also have dedicated engineering change order objects and tasks. Now these objects are how they're stored inside of Teamcenter, so you can easily see with a visual identifier what are change objects versus what are standard parts. We also have full bill of material and revision control capabilities, web client, as well as what's called active workspace, which is an overlay for the web tier that makes it easy to use for non-CAD users or even higher tier management users such as checkers, someone who just needs to look at information quickly and doesn't have to root through and search for documents, wants to be able to get in and out of the software as quickly as possible. Teamcenter also extends to multi-site capabilities. So if you have more than one location and would like to synchronize the information being stored between multiple sites, Teamcenter has many functions, many functions that allow you to control and manage that today. And there's so much more. So not too much to be covered in just one slide. So with that, I want to sort of delve deeper into what Teamcenter Rapid Start is. So Teamcenter Rapid Start is an offering for a simple starting point for PDM with Teamcenter. It's a pre-configuration of Teamcenter that includes the basics of PDM based on experience that's been gathered from best practices with thousands of different customers worldwide. Teamcenter Rapid Start gives you a single source of product data while supporting simple process execution and multi-CAD collaborations. As you can see here in this image, we have the main focus being on that start row with design and document management and storage, as well as bill of material and revision control and process management and documentation as well. So instead of creating a custom Teamcenter environment, the installation of Teamcenter Rapid Start sets up the PDM environment for you so you can get up and running quicker and more cost efficiently. More of a time frame of 2 to 6 weeks as opposed to talking in months. You can immediately realize the benefits of Teamcenter and then decide where your business needs to take you next. So whether you need to grow into something along the lines of schedule management, start documenting your requirements, whether you need to incorporate a supplier collaboration or implement integrations for your manufacturing, Teamcenter has solutions for you. So this page shows a sort of what is included with the Teamcenter capabilities with multi-CAD and ECAD management, being able to standardize intelligent part number structures, document management, so outside of just your CAD, every related document that needs to be stored with it, as well as pre-configured and custom reports that come with the Rapid Start deployment. We also have simple process management with pre-configured workflows and part statuses to recognize whether or not parts have been released, reviewed, are currently in process, or other statuses that are available. It also allows for entry-level engineering change management, as well as pre-configured roles and functionality. So, as I mentioned before, your entire organizational structure can be replicated within Teamcenter. Rapid Start allows for pre-configured or custom roles with appropriate accesses to permissions, where management will have capabilities to look over and oversee projects and initiate workflows, whereas engineering may have access to making design changes and creating new parts and assemblies. It also automates everyday tasks in your company-wide processes. Now from here, Teamcenter is the start. We're looking at moving forward from this as your company grows, or staying here and just making changes to what you need to fully incorporate Teamcenter into your current design. Now with that, I'd like to open it up for any questions. If at any point you have questions, you can send an email directly to me. I'm williamh@camlet.com. Or you can reach out to us at our support line at 855-955-0900. We're open between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. Or you can send us an email, support@camlogic.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.